Hey everyone, unreal. I just sat down at the same game that I won the major on at Tropicana a little over a week ago, and it just landed again. Unreal. So here we go. Let's shoot for that grand now. Come on guys, let's do this. Unreal. Thank you, Tropicana. We'll see if any hearts fall. There we go. And again, on a 50-cent bet, guys. I was betting $1.25 on nickels, and I went down again like I did last time. I started with $75 in free play. Got $33 off of that. Changed to 50 cents, and the major fell. Unreal, pretty exciting. Tropicana's been decent to me, at least with majors. Probably gonna get copyrighted because of the loud music. Oh boy, 4 more guys. Let's do it. Then Tropicana will be really good. 3 more. 2 more. It's getting real. Let's do it. Not a chance. 1 more spin. Let's do it. Okay. Trumpets. Pretty exciting. 50-cent bet again, guys. I can't believe it. On Lightning Link Heart Throb. Same exact machine. This is unreal. Alright, we're gonna fast forward this, baby. Okay, so $10 in addition to the major. Total win, $695.12. Unreal. Again, Tropicana, free play. Wow. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll make another video if something else great happens, but there's the major reset. Again, Tropicana, Vegas. Viva Las Vegas, baby. Thanks, guys, for watching. See you soon. Bye.